Hi friends, in this quick video tutorial I will show you how you can easily remove Chrome browser history permanently. So for this, first of all click on your Chrome browser. Here in the top right corner you will see 3 dots, so click here. Now click on this history option. Guys, here you can see my browsing history. So now you need to click on this clear browsing data. Okay, here it is basic settings and here it is advanced settings. So you see here are options to delete history for the time range, like if you will click here you will see last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks and all time. So if you want to delete the history of last hour only, then you select this option, and if you want to delete all time history then you will click on this option. Okay, so as I don't want to delete all my history, I'm doing this only for testing purpose, so I'm choosing the last hour. Okay, as you can see here there are various options like browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. These 3 are selected here. If I also want to delete my saved passwords and autofill form data and site settings, then I can also check these boxes, but as I don't want to remove these saved passwords and autofill form data and site settings, so I'm not checking these boxes. In the bottom you will see the clear data option, so just clear this data and click on this clear. Okay, you can see it is showing the history of yesterday and the last hour history has been deleted as I only selected the last hour history. So in this way you can easily remove your browsing history from the Chrome browser. If you liked the video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.